Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be bringing one of my electric scooters back to life. Now, cool story, we actually found both of these scooters, both the red and blue one, on the side of the road for free. They were not working, so I decided they were pretty good scooters. I didn't want to put them to waste. We went ahead and put a 4-stroke engine on the blue scooter, and it's actually one of my most viewed videos. I'll be building this red scooter out of existing parts I have at home. I have a 60cc 2-stroke engine, good for about 10 horsepower, so we're going to be building it up. We're going to be building an awesome race scooter, so be sure you guys stay tuned. Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, but let's get right into it. So 3 bolts is probably all we need. I'm gonna go ahead, tighten everything, cut these bolts off, screw everything, and it should be good. I hope y'all are enjoying the video up to this point. Feels really nice outside. But yeah, let's get back to work. Well guys, I'm going to have to call it for tonight. We've got it pretty much, it's pretty much a complete roller. Still got to adjust a bunch of things. I'm probably going to have to order some parts because this engine is in poor shape. I might have to order a pipe and a carburetor and possibly a cylinder. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to see y'all tomorrow, but I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow. So it's not really fully welded, but you can still see it is plenty strong. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to go ahead and put this in because this is going to be a race scooter, and I want to go ahead and use some of that extra space to cross brace everything properly. So yeah, I think we're going to be flying at 40 miles, 50 miles, so I want to make sure I cross brace everything properly, and it's also going to give me more room for the gas tank. I went ahead and stripped most of the paint off, so let me know what color I should paint this thing. I didn't really like the red because it's kind of fading off, so let me know what color. So for those of you that don't know, I am working on a shifter cart in the background. This is kind of like an in-between project, so I'll just be ordering some parts here and there, and as soon as I get enough footage for part 2, I'll have that out. But yeah, we've got a lot of stuff to order: expansion chamber, carb, tires, cables. So yeah guys, I'll have to see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more. Peace.